So, welcome to TV9 Network. And my first question is for you, Amit. They say that the only way to succeed is to never give up. That's your tagline as well. So, how hard did you really work for this role? I heard that you underwent a major transformation.
So, Neha, first of all, I think as artists, we do this because of hunger. There's this insatiable desire to work hard, to be able to do your characters, to bring them to life. In this instance, I didn't have to do anything because I'm playing a real life hero, Major Deep Singh Sengar. And this is a story with the backdrop of the Great Indian Army. But ये कहानी मुझसे बड़ी है, ये series मुझसे बड़ी है.
All right. Amrita, I'll come to you now. You're playing the love interest of Amit, and there are a lot of emotions involved. So, how did you know that this is something that you want to portray?
Because as Amit said, the story is so strong and it's so
Neha,
inspirational.
before she starts, she's not my love interest. She's playing Jaya Sanger, my wife.
All right. All right. Love interest, which eventually turned out to be your wife.
What Amit's trying to say is he's making a very important point that my identity as the character that I play is not of Deep Singh Sengar's wife. I'm an individual on my own, a very strong and independent individual who is as strong as Deep and at times his backbone. So that's the point, thank you, that Amit was trying to make. And that's the point we're making with this series also, that army wives are not just their identity, is not just that they're wives. They are the support system of the soldiers out there in the front. Soldiers cannot do what they're doing unless they have their family support and not
Absolutely.
just wives, whether it's the mother or your sisters or the family is so important because they are also sacrificing.
Mm-hmm. And they're sacrificing a lot, which most of the times
And
goes unnoticed.
Add, if you allow me,
I was
Neha,
coming to that. That's why that was my second question. So, how
me,
hard was it really for you
Neha,
also to portray the role and kind of bring
Neha,
out the difficulties that the army wives in particular face?
अगर आप मुझे इजाजत दें, नेहा, अमृता, अगर आप दोनों मुझे इजाजत दें, मैं एक छोटी सी एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा. एंड अभी जो ऐसे आपने बोला ना कि अमित's लव इंटरेस्ट, और ये आपकी गलती नहीं है. हम बॉलीवुड में अपनी लीडिंग लेडीज और लेडीज को ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. आई जस्ट होप आफ्टर दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन वी स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. Introducing any character or any female artist by saying that this female artist is playing this male actor's love interest.
Woo!
Should stop.
Well said.
Amrita is really happy with your statement, and I think there are many women out there who would be really happy to hear you out, Amit. I'm going to give you extra minute to complete your sentence. Please go right ahead.
I'm saying this with utmost humility and not for any effect. या मैं ये बहुत ही utmost humility में ये बोल रहा हूँ. एंड मैं बहुत सालों से ये चीज सुन रहा हूँ. मुझे खुद खुशी नहीं देता जब आपने जब वो बोला, मुझे खुद कष्ट हुआ कि नहीं, गलत है. कैरेक्टर को भूल जाते हैं अभी, क्या कैरेक्टर वो निभा रही हैं, क्या सीरीज है, उसका क्या मीनिंग है, कहाँ, उस सबको भूल जाते हैं अभी. एंड ये इंडिया में होता है. मैंने आज तक दुनिया में नहीं सुना कि ब्रैड पिट को जूलिया रॉबर्ट्स को बोल रहा है, ओ जूलिया रॉबर्ट्स इज प्लेइंग द लव इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ब्रैड पिट. कभी नहीं सुना मैंने. एंड इंडिया में हम सब बोलते हैं, तो इसलिए नहीं, आपके लिए नहीं है, हम मेरे लिए है, हम सबके लिए है. वी हैव टू कलेक्टिवली स्टॉप यूजिंग these terminologies. We need to respect women. They're a higher being, and this needs to stop. This needs to stop like
Well,
now.
I partially agree with you. And, when you say that a woman is playing somebody's love interest, it doesn't really mean that, you're demeaning someone. It just maybe shows that she's standing there like a rock solid support for that particular man.
To differ. No.
But your point is taken, Amit, and as I said, it gives me immense pleasure to see you as a man speaking up for women. So thank you.
Neha,
as a woman, a big thank you to you.
Partially.
So now, you guys are collaborating after Kai Poche. How was the experience of working with each other after such a long time? And Amrita, you particularly, did you, notice anything particular from before? Both of you.
I noticed that we've both aged very gracefully. But jokes apart, I would say that
good
that,
one.
Amit is. We didn't get to play we didn't get to share screen space in Kai Poche. We became friends. We spent time together, but we didn't share screen space. And it was really great to do that because we both started off our journeys together. We were both much younger then. 7 years is a long time. You're fresh. There's this purity. There's this excitement. There's this innocence and nervous energy that makes you want to come on set and prove yourself every single day, you know. So that was an amazing spirit. But it's wonderful to see how confident he's grown and just how sure he is of his skill set and his craft and what he wants to say, not just as an actor, but through his work and his choices, and because of which he gets involved in the project as a whole to take it to the next level, to make sure that it's heading in the right direction, which I think is great because it's wonderful to have someone who's not just thinking about themselves.
Okay, all right. And Amit, what about you?
I mean, there's so many things I can say, but I'm trying to come up with a different answer or a different quality, because in the last interview I said a few qualities, and Amrita has so many qualities कि मैं 10-15 interviews में अलग-अलग qualities बता सकता हूँ. मैं एक नई चीज बताता हूँ जो मैंने अमृता को भी नहीं बता पाया, क्योंकि शूटिंग बहुत इंटेंस थी नेहा, तो नहीं वक्त मिला बोलने, नहीं बता पाया कई चीजें. तो आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि आज इंटरव्यू के दौरान मैं इनको भी बता सकता हूँ. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द अमेजिंग थिंग्स अमृता के बारे में कि ये अपने आप को सीरियसली नहीं लेती हैं, ओवरली सीरियसली. कई बार बहुत लोग, काफी एक्टर अपने आप को बहुत सीरियसली लेते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स ये अपना काम बहुत शिद्दत से और बहुत मेहनत से और बहुत सिंसियरली करती हैं, but there's no unnecessary airs about her, which I think helps her to become like nobody could have done Jaya better than him, because of the simplicity she has in her life, and उनकी एक बहुत अच्छी और एक क्वालिटी है जो मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि she is very inquisitive के लिए, नई चीजें, बहुत सवाल पूछती हैं. So
she's very inquisitive.
Love to learn from her. Yeah. She knows how to. Inquisitive, but in a positive way. And she has this she knows how to live, in a graceful manner. That's one quality she has. That's one thing I would like to learn from her.
Amrita, I think he's made your day. That's for sure.
Totally. I'm feeling like
the queen of the world.
I'm flying.
Okay, guys, so who's the inspiration behind Jeet Ki Zid?
Deep and Jaya.
All right. There you go. Please elaborate.
Amit.
And the team. Akash, Joy, the writers, Siddharth Mishra, who's written the dialogues and the story, my director Vishal, my DOP, Akhilesh, the cast, and most importantly, all the technicians, all the people who are behind the camera working day and night, the lightmen, the spot boys, the sound people, the costume people. Trust me, it's because of them we were able to focus on our craft. And of course, all the great actors, Mirinal ma'am, Ali, Sushant Bhai, and so many, everybody. So there's much more than that meets the eye. Of course, we are playing Jaya. She's playing Jaya. I'm playing Deep, and that's the crux of the story and important characters. But of course, it's an inspiring story. I think anything from the Indian Armed Forces is inspiring, and we should watch and make more stories of them, because I feel that there's so much we can imbibe from these great stories of valor and from the uniform. But ये बहुत बड़ा teamwork है नेहा, and we are very proud of us, of each other. We admire you making of this series जीत की जिद, and अभी बहुत खुशी मिल रही है अभी आप लोगों से बात करके, लोगों तक और अपनी सीरीज और इन चीजों के बारे में बात करके बहुत आनंद मिल रहा है.
All right. Lastly, I'd like to ask you, what's the takeaway from Jeet Ki Zid?
I think that the beautiful thing about art and cinema is that there's no one thing that you can take away. And what I take away will be different from what Amit takes away, will be different from what Neha, that is you, take away, because that's the beauty of it. It's not like maths, you know, where 2 + 2 is 4. It can equal so many things, and there's so many different meanings and so many different things that you can take away from this, that I don't want to reduce it and say this is the one takeaway. Also, I feel like the story of Daya, I combined their names, Jaya, Daya, hashtag Daya. But their story is so inspirational and so great and so humbling, really, that the takeaway for me was that I have so much to be grateful for, and stop complaining and just live your life. You know, that was for me.
All right. And for you, Amit, is it the same?
Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं है, कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. Never give up. गिरो, लड़खड़ाओ, खड़े हो, दोबारा चलो, रुकना नहीं है.